Let us understand how do we use the method of substitution to solve a linear system. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we will learn how do we solve a linear system using the method of substitution. We have 4 examples here, and after this video, we'll take up some challenge questions. Well, here's another interesting example and then a challenge question. This we are going to take in the next video. Let us now see how do we solve these 4 questions one by one. So let's begin with the very first one, which is we need to solve the following system of linear equations using the method of substitution. We have y equals to 2x minus 1 and x plus y equals to 5. Let us rewrite these equations and number them. That is always the first step. So y equals to 2x minus 1, let this be our equation number 1, and x plus y equals to 5 being equation number 2. Now you can see that we are given y is 2x minus 1. This value of y can be substituted in the second equation. Is that part clear to you, right? So we'll say substitute, I'm writing sub for that, substitute y from equation 1 to equation 2. Is that clear to you in short form? So what do we get now? We get x plus, instead of y, I will write 2x minus 1. And on the right side, we got 5. So we can now combine the like terms, which is 3x minus 1 equal to 5. Correct? Now you can rearrange and find the value of x. So we get 3x equals to 5 plus 1, which is 6, or x is equal to 6 over 3, which is 2, correct? Once you find the value of x, which is 2, you can find the value of y. So we know y is equal to 2x minus 1 in equation number 1, correct? We'll substitute 2 down, which we found as the value of x in this particular equation, to find the value of y, right? So y will be 2 times 2 minus 1, which is 4 minus 1 or 3, correct? So we get the value of y. So now we have the solution, and that solution is that the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 3, right? So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. To write the answer, we should write the coordinate point, x value first and then the y value. Is that clear to you? So 2, 3 is the coordinate point, which is intersection of these two lines, and that is the solution for the given set of equations or the linear system. Is that clear to you? Perfect. Now let us look into the solution of question number 2, which is given to us as 3x plus 4y equals to minus 4, and x is equal to 2 minus 3y. As before, we'll number these equations as 1 and 2. This time you see that we are given the value of x, which is 2 minus 3y. We can substitute that back in equation 1. So now we will sub x from equation 2, right, in equation 1, right? So I'm writing that in circle to say that is my equation number. So now substituting, we get 3 times 2 minus 3y, right, plus 4y equals to minus 4. Open, apply the distributive property, multiply 3 with both 2 and 3y. You get 6 minus 9y plus 4y equals to minus 4. Combine the like terms. So we get 6, you can take it on the other side, and here we get minus 5y equals to minus 4 minus 6. Is that clear to you? Now let us divide by 5. So let me rewrite this equation as 5y equals to, this is minus 10, right? So I'm multiplying by minus, writing this as 10. So that gives me y equals to 10 by 5, or the value of y is 2. Once you get the value of y, we have part solution, and we'll substitute this value of y back into our equation number 2, right? And find x. So we'll sub in 2, right? Sub in y equals to 2 in equation 1. Is that clear to you? So we can now find the value of x, which is equal to 2 minus 3y. Y is equal to 2, so we'll substitute 2 for y, and we get the value of x as 2 minus 6, which is minus 4. And therefore, we can now write down our answer as coordinate point minus 4, the x value, and 2, the y value. Does make sense to you? Perfect. So that is how we have to substitute and solve our equations. So I hope the concept is absolutely clear. In case you want to learn from me, you can always send an email on the address given. Now let us look into the third example. In the third example, we are given x minus 2y equals to 5. That is our equation number 1. And then we are given 2x plus 3y equals to 17. That is equation number 2. Now in this case, we are not given x or y directly, but you can always isolate x from first equation, right? So from the first equation, we can isolate x. So we get x equals to, taking 2y to the right side, 2y plus 5, correct? So we'll call this as our equation 3, and this time, since we isolated x as equal to 2y minus 5, we can sub this in equation 2, right? So we'll sub x in equation 2. Is that clear to you? Perfect. And then continue as we did last time. Substituting x as 2y plus 5, what do we get? Do you see that? So we get 2 times 2y plus 5 plus 3y equals to 17. Open the bracket. We get 4y plus 10 plus 3y equals to 17. And combining 4 and 3y, we get 7y. Taking 10 to the right hand side, we get 17 minus 10, which is 7. So clearly, now you get the value of y from here, right? So y is equal to 7 over 7, which is 1. So we have the solution for y, which is y is equal to 1. We can substitute this value of y in equation 3 to find the x value. So x is equals to 2 times y plus 5. Substituting 1 for y, we get what? We get x equals to 2 plus 5, which is 7. And therefore, we have our answer. And the answer always is the coordinate point, right? Always write x value first, which is 7 in this case, and y value then 1, correct? I hope it is absolutely clear. Perfect. The last example for you. Here we have the two equations, which are 2x plus y equals to 10. We'll write this as equation 1. And then we have x equals to 5 as equation 2. Since we are already given x is 5, we have only to find the value of y. So we'll sub 2 in equation 1. And when you do that, what do you get? We get the y value, right? So we'll write down 2 times the x value of 5 plus y equals to 10, which is 10 plus y equals to 10, or the value of y is 10 minus 10, which is 0. So therefore, the y value is 0, right? And we have our answer And what is the answer now? You have to write x coordinate value first, which is 5, and then the y value of 0. That becomes the solution, correct? So that is how we have to solve the linear system. So I hope with this you understand how do we solve a linear system. All the 4 equations represented lines and their point of intersection is the solution, correct? And we use the method of substitution to do so. I hope the concept is absolutely clear. Feel free to write a comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.